Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can assign a parent project to your projects in the Todoist application. So let us begin. Alright, launch the Todoist app, for example, on your Android, and tap into Browse in the bottom right. Here guys, swipe down to get to My Projects, and here either create a new project by clicking into this plus button or tapping into the plus button to the right, or simply access your projects by tapping into Manage Projects, or simply tap into one of these. So let me go with that one here, and let me assign a parent project to this one. So what you want to do is, here inside the project overview, is tap into these three dots in the top right, and from there what you want to do guys is tap into Edit here at the very top of that menu. So let me do that really quickly, and after that guys you will see that customization menu. So you can change, or you can rename the project, assign a color, and there you go. You can also tap into Parent Project below to assign a parent project. That is going to open up that menu, so you can search for a specific project under a specific name here using that search bar, or you simply use that list below the drop-down menu and select the project you would like to make or assign as a parent project. There you go. Confirm by tapping into that checkmark button in the top right, and that should do it. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.